Let's stir up this Bengan Bharta, which is an eggplant curry. It's vegetarian and it's so delicious. What you need for this is 1 whole large eggplant, 2 cups diced onions, 2 cups diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon crushed ginger, 1 teaspoon crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon turmeric, 3 green chilies, and a quarter cup of chopped coriander. So let's get started. First, we're going to take our eggplant, wash it well, and then you're going to slice it into fours. So just be careful, use a big knife, and then while you're slicing this in the background, you can preheat your oven at 400 degrees. Once you have your 4 slices, you're going to line a baking sheet with foil and add some oil at the bottom, and then add some oil onto the actual eggplant pieces. Basically, we're going to bake these in the oven for 20 minutes, and once they are done, they should look like this. Keep these aside, and at the same time, while these are cooking in the oven, heat a pot on medium flame on your stovetop. Add cumin seed and fry them for about a minute, and then add onions. These are diced onions that we had. We're gonna fry them for about 5 to 10 minutes or until they're translucent, just like this. We're also adding our crushed garlic and crushed ginger in here. Using fresh garlic ginger really adds extra flavor to this. Now we're going to add our tomatoes in here, as well as all our spices. So once we've added all our spices and tomatoes, we're going to stir fry this, which is our base of our curry, for a good 10 minutes. You want to continuously stir this. You want to continuously make sure all the ingredients come really well together and bind well, because this is basically going to be giving all the flavor to the curry. Here is the eggplant. I'm just going to mash it so all the pieces are not in big chunks but mashed really well. And once they're completely mashed and once the oil separates like this, my tomatoes are done. This is just a tip. Now I'm adding my eggplants in there. Once I add my eggplant, I'm going to stir fry this for a good 10 minutes so everything is binded well together. So continuously stir, make sure nothing is stuck to the bottom of the pan, and then add half of your coriander in here, leave the other half for garnish, and then add your green chilies in here as well. Again, you can cut up the green chilies if you want it more spicier. I want to keep them as is. Now, once you stir this, lower your flame and basically cover your pot for about 5 minutes. So with the steam, all the flavors come together really nicely. And this is it. This is pretty much the curry. We're just gonna make sure it's cooked well, nothing is stuck to the bottom, and just stir it for a couple more minutes. And at this point, you're ready to eat it. You can certainly serve this by itself, or with rice, or with roti or naan bread. And this is how delicious it looks. Again, here are the ingredients for you to screenshot. Try this out. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and try out this recipe. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow recipes. Till next time, keep stirring it up.